Good day, sir. I am Mark John Umamalen and
I am Joseph Michael C. Simpron, and today we will explain how to transmit and receive information using single-letter visual signals according to the International Code of Signals, specifically under Annex 4 International Distress Signals.
what is the International Code of Signals ICS? Standard communication system used for at sea, used when language barrier or radio failures occurs, include flag signals, light, and sounds. The IEC allows ships to communicate vital information. Each flag kay nagrepresent og letters nya naa na siya specific nga meaning.
So, sa Annex 4, ang International Distress Signals is nakafocus siya on emergency signals. So, used to indicate danger, distress, or urgent messages. Na yung mga danger or distress sa barko. Can be flags, lights, flares, or sound signals. So, magamit ka ng mga flags kung na yung mga sa barko.
Single letter flag examples: C for Charlie, affirmative or yes, N for November, negative or no, W for whiskey or I require medical assistance, V for Victor, I require assistance, or O for Oscar, man overboard. These are some of example of single letter signals. Kani sila dali ra ni ma-recognize and use for rapid communication.
So in daytime signaling, so use of signal flags. Kung buntag, gamit ka og mga flags para dali ka ma-trigger sa mga ubang barko if na may ma-risk na may distress sa barko. So must be visible on correctly displayed. So dapat visible o sakto nga pagkabutang sa inyong flag. So, during the day, ships raise flags to send messages. Each flag has distinct colors and shapes. So, sa mga flags, kumbaga November, mga whiskey, Charlie, lahi-lahi siya o forma or lahig mga shapes.
Nighttime signaling. Use of lights, flare, sound signals, red flares, SOS in Morse, gunshot every minute, etc. Sa gabi kay di man applicable ang flag kay di man makita. So ang gamiton kay red flares, light or sounds like continuous horn blast or gunfire every minute.
So in our conclusion, single letter signals are essential for safety at sea. So Annex 4 ensures standard response during emergencies. So must be practiced and understood by all seafarers. So dapat practice ang ug nakasabot ang mga seafarers unsaon pagbutang. So thank you for watching our presentation. That's all our presentation, sir. We hope that this helped to understand the use of visual signaling with single letter codes in emergencies. That's all. Thank you.